In a critical situation, you expect the right drug, the right dose, at the right time. Knowledge makes that happen. And that's why you want to be part of Temple University's School of Pharmacy. Our degree in pharmacy gives you access to numerous career paths.
It's a doctoral degree, but in the end, it's the entry-level degree to the profession. It provides incredible opportunity to shift your socioeconomic coordinates with one degree.
Nationally and internationally honored professors, world-class experts working with you in state-of-the-art labs in a renowned health sciences center, Temple has it all. Walk with me. World-leading research professors combined with state-of-the-art labs. The Mulder Center for Drug Discovery Research is where life-saving research is done every day, which goes from the lab to doctors' offices and patients. Major studies are underway at Temple School of Pharmacy on asthma, DNA repair, Alzheimer's disease, hepatitis, organ transplants, and cancer research, among many others. Temple's Dr. Salim Merali and his team made headlines from New York to Australia with their cutting-edge diabetes research. Since its dedication in 2006, the Jane Haynes Center for Pharmacogenomics and Drug Safety has been a pioneer in personalized medicine. Students study in a comprehensive health sciences center.
It's a major asset that you're in a health sciences center that's also in the geographical epicenter of the pharmaceutical and biotech industry in this region of the country. So there's a lot of assets that we leverage by virtue of our geographic location.
Temple is one of only a handful of schools that has a current good manufacturing facility. The Sterile Products Lab. Pharmacogenomics. Temple pharmacy professors have written textbooks in use across the country and around the world. Affordable tuition and outstanding academics. There's no better place for you to be. Extraordinary people are devoted to Temple Pharmacy. These industry leaders made Temple their home. All the connections, all the time. This is Temple School of Pharmacy alumni Rear Admiral Scott Giberson, Assistant United States Surgeon General.
Rear Admiral Giberson served as the overall commander of the U.S. Commissioned Corps Ebola response in West Africa, for which he received the Commissioned Corps' first ever presidential unit citation from President Barack Obama in the Oval Office of the White House.
And of course, he chose Temple.
In many ways, you will have the choice to improve the health of thousands, maybe even tens of thousands of people across your lives. Be dynamic, never idle. Whether you know it or not, pharmacy school has given you tremendous tools to lead.
Temple promotes dynamic leadership. It's a hallmark of our graduates. Temple Pharmacy has always known the power of women in the workplace, from the classroom to the laboratories and leadership at the highest levels. Temple School of Pharmacy is famous for its caring family atmosphere, including the ambiance created by an outstanding art collection. Our test scores are higher and our tuition is lower. The choice is obvious. earned the PharmD degree that opens multiple career paths. Temple launched the first academic program in regulatory affairs and quality assurance in the nation. Since 1968, Temple maintained their first and only position and continues to set the educational standard of excellence today. The RAQA program even has educational partnerships with universities as far away as Singapore and Egypt.
We continue to be the most comprehensive, the largest, and the best recognized. Because of the length of time that we've been around, the faculty who we have developed, the number of students who've gone through the program, we truly excel in this particular area.
That same innovative spirit permeates the curriculum and campus, creating visionary programs that maximize job opportunities for our graduates.
I love Temple because of it being like a family.
I think as soon as you come to interview at Temple as compared to the other schools, you get that feel right away.
Only school, actually, I applied to.
Let me get this straight. This was the only school you applied to?
This was the only school that I applied to. Like we were saying, the professors, the family aspect of it, small atmosphere, you know, everybody really, you get to know everybody, and you can't get lost in it. Some of the other schools, you know, you can get lost in the shuffle, and, you know, people don't really seem to develop the type of relationship that I thought was really important as, you know, a professional school.
And they want to help us, they want us to do good.
And what about Philly?
Philly's very cool. There's always something to do. Do you want to go out to a show? Do you want to go out, you know, some music, symphony? Do you want to go to a museum? Do you want to, you know, go out to restaurants and bars? There's just endless possibilities of things to do.
Temple's clinical rotations include more than 300 sites. Our PharmD students may train in over 80 national and international locations, including Guatemala, Vietnam, the Crown Point Indian Reservation in New Mexico, the Ketchikan Tribal Health Clinic in Alaska, and the Food and Drug Administration in White Oak, Maryland. Other schools may charge extra for such learning experiences, but not Temple. From expanding careers within pharmacy to enhancing a student's intellectual horizons, your future is at Temple School of Pharmacy today.